ChatGPT is already an incredibly powerful language model, capable of generating human-like responses to a wide range of prompts. But with addition of just a few key extensions, you can unlock even more of ChatGPT's potential and supercharge your workflow. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 extensions that can take your ChatGPT experience to the next level, helping you to work more efficiently, save time, and generate even more accurate and nuanced responses. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The first extension in our list is ChatGPT Writer. ChatGPT Writer allows users to easily generate responses to emails and messages using the GPT AI model. With this extension, users can overcome writer's block and quickly compose emails and messages on any topic. To use ChatGPT Writer, simply go to Gmail or any web page, click on the ChatGPT Writer extension button, briefly enter what you want to reply to or write about, and hit the Generate Reply button. The extension is straightforward and easy to use, making it a useful tool for anyone who needs to write emails or messages quickly and efficiently. Additionally, ChatGPT Writer is just one of the several Chrome extensions, including Ghostwrite, Merlin, and more. By using the power of AI, ChatGPT Writer helps streamline daily tasks and can be an excellent tool for those who struggle with writing or those who need to generate responses quickly. The next extension that we have on the list is Chat on AI. Chat on AI is designed to optimize the user experience of ChatGPT on search engines by displaying its responses directly alongside the results from popular search engines. This extension allows users to access ChatGPT's language model directly from search engine results to ask questions and receive natural language responses. In addition, ChatGPT's responses include syntax highlighting for code, making it easier to understand complex coding concepts. The Chat on AI extension is available as a pop-up window within your browser or as a standalone page, allowing users to ask ChatGPT anything, anytime, and from anywhere within their browser. With Chat on AI, users can enjoy a seamless and efficient searching experience with the help of ChatGPT's AI technology. The next extension that we have on the list is YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. YouTube Summary with ChatGPT extension uses OpenAI's ChatGPT AI technology to provide users with a summary of YouTube videos they are watching. The extension aims to save users time by quickly accessing the summary of the video, allowing them to learn quicker. With YouTube Summary extension, users can understand the main points of the video before watching it, enhancing their browsing experience and productivity. This extension is a great tool for those who have limited time or prefer to skim the content before delving deeper into it. Additionally, the extension offers several useful features such as the ability to change the format of the summary paragraph by rewriting the prompt from the extension settings. Overall, YouTube Summary extension is a useful tool for anyone who wants to save time and learn efficiently while watching YouTube videos on the browser. The next extension in our list is WebChatGPT. WebChatGPT is a browser extension that allows ChatGPT users to access traditional web search results alongside AI-generated responses. The extension integrates both types of results into a single interface, making it easier for users to find the information they need. With WebChatGPT, users can augment their ChatGPT prompts with relevant web results to get latest search results. The extension automatically finds results from the World Wide Web according to your prompt and provides relevant and up-to-date results through ChatGPT. To use the extension, you can find the link below to install this extension on your browser, or you can go to the extension web store and search it manually. Overall, WebChatGPT is a useful tool for ChatGPT users who need to access both AI-generated and traditional search results in a single interface. The last extension in our list is ChatGPT Prompt Genius. ChatGPT Prompt Genius is a free and open source browser extension for ChatGPT that offers a variety of useful features. With this extension, you can sync your chat history locally for easy access and searching, save chats as Markdown, HTML, PDF, or PNG, and customize ChatGPT with different themes like SMS, Cozy Fireplace, and Hacker. Additionally, you can discover, share, import, and use the best prompts for ChatGPT by finding and adding prompt templates to your collection. The extension offers many useful tools, including the ability to create tables with ChatGPT by writing prompts. Furthermore, you can control the tone of voice when writing prompts for ChatGPT and keep your intended audience in mind to tweak the way ChatGPT responds to your prompts. Using ChatGPT Prompt Genius is easy and straightforward. To create a new prompt, click on the Create Prompt button on the dashboard. In summary, ChatGPT Prompt Genius is a valuable tool that can assist in many writing tasks and is definitely worth checking out for ChatGPT users. ChatGPT is a great tool, and with these 5 extensions, you are sure to bring your ChatGPT experience to the next level. But if you want to know about some new AI tools that are making waves in the industry, click on this video right here.